What's up, crypto legends? How's everyone doing? Let's take a look at the price of Bitcoin right away, guys. Make sure to destroy that like button on your way in. How's everyone doing? Let's take a look at the markets. I haven't got much people joining the live stream at the moment, so is it because I'm early? Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Let's analyze the situation for Bitcoin. Make sure to destroy the like button. Live. Only 42 people watching the live stream at the moment. Wow, absolutely crazy, guys. Can you hear me? Is everything good? Not many people joining the live stream. Did you get the notification? What's on my crypto legends? Alif, how are you doing? Queen Games, hello. Good afternoon, peeps. Chill. What's up, crypto legends? Alif, stop copying me. Oh man. Oh. Okay. Let's yeah, guys, how's everyone doing? Hope you're doing very, very well. Teddles, how are you? Thanks for joining. Hey. Teddles, how are you doing, my man? Teddles is one of the community. I remember you. I remember Teddles here. He joined the Legends Trading Masterclass, guys. We've had a really nice setup here. As you can assume, I am in a long trade from here, guys. You know, this setup basically was mentioned on today's live stream. We got a notification. Buenos dias, Bernardo. How are you doing? Yeah, let me just double check here with the people joining the community. Destroy that like button on the way in, guys. We're just going to give it a couple of minutes. Going to go through the comment section. Say hello to everyone. Good afternoon, Broke Jake. How are you? Broke Jake. Nice name. Hey, Andy. How are you, sir? I'm doing very good, guys. Hope you're also doing fantastic. Everything great. Matthew, Mabashu. Right, we are here, Andy. Space Land, how are you doing? Let's make some money. Absolutely, absolutely. I am in already. You know, I do analysis before the live stream. I've made a video update, guys, but I got to say, I mean, we're going to talk about yesterday. I got to say the higher time frame predictions are not working out good, guys. You know, I talked about an accumulation cylinder, right? Zooming out on the 4-hourly chart, you know, all of this, right? You know, getting a bit excited with this range to potentially hold, looking for swing trades basically to the upside, kind of losing this level. Yeah, long-term predictions, you know, it's just not playing out. We're not getting the bounce. But what can I say? You know, this does not affect me. I am more of a day trader and a scalper than actually, you know, a swing trader, as you guys know. And oh boy, I mean, today with this move here, oh my goodness, guys, let me just play you today's video update because, hey, what can I say? Today's video update, I know, you know, people get kind of bored as well. Oh, let me just tell you that there is a Bitcoinsensus Español channel that's already live, guys. Bitcoinsensus Español. If you type this here on YouTube, anybody Spanish, I will be doing, you know, I will be talking in Spanish here. So, because I am Spanish, right? So, yeah, Bitcoinsensus Español is now live, guys. So if you want to subscribe to the channel, I'll be doing updates as well there. I'm not sure how I'm gonna cope with, you know, both of the channels, but it's there, guys, okay? So make sure to subscribe. Bitcoinsensus Spanish for anybody who's Spanish. Anyway, let's talk about today, guys, because oh my goodness, this is absolutely phenomenal. You know, when I feel good sometimes, at least for day trades and scalping ideas. Let's take a look at today's video update, right? Very important. Today's video update, guys. Let's check it out right away and, you know, take a look at what I was talking on today's video update. It was only 8 minutes. Breakout, then you are looking for that long trade, okay, after the failed. That is basically it. That is basically it, guys. Waiting for that failed breakdown from the low, get the move down to the 61878 range and get the bounce. This is basically what is happening right now. Of course, I am in that long trade. I've taken some profits already, of course. You know, it's a day trade for me. Overall, pointing out here to the 21,800. This high over here needs to be taken. The reason why I took profits here at this high was because of a Gartley pattern, okay? I'm just going to quickly show you that Gartley pattern here on the extreme lower time frames. But my goodness, this is basically the drawing from today. Bang, bang, we're moving up. That's basically what was drawn on the chat on today's video update, guys. I mean, you cannot make it up. You can just, this was uploaded three hours ago. Looking for that setup to come up to the $21,800 range. You know, it's happening right now at this moment. This is the exact drawing, right? Exact drawing mentioned from today's video update to get into that high probability trade scenario at the 21,550 range. That is basically it, guys. Here we are, almost hitting the take profit zone of 21,800. I think we could hit that level, and not only hit that level, we could actually create a double bottom Adam and Eve scenario and maybe break it and go to higher levels. I'm taking profits as I go up on this trade, but you can already see the risk to reward that we're talking about here, guys, right? Where we have that failed breakdown from this low, bang, failed, retrace down to the 61878 range. I was very happy with the 7-8 because there was a small Gartley pattern right over here. It's not the best looking one, okay, but you know, I'm thinking, hey, there is a possibility. It would have been nice to get at least a 50% Fibonacci, but you know, overall, you know, hitting that 0.88 and coming here to the 7-8 right over here. It's very, very difficult with Gartley. You know, I was saying, you know, it is possible that we hit the 7-8, but I'm already happy entering that 618 range. Overall, what can I say, guys? This was mentioned in that, you know, update. That's me done for the day. You know, that's my trade here. In that trade, taking some profit, bang, we hit that level. I mean, I will be taking more of the profits. I'll be leaving a small position open, but overall, that is my target. So far, it does look we could hit that level. And the reason why I took profits at these highs, because we did a stop. Okay, that is basically the Gartley pattern target. These highs over here, we got a consolidation. I thought, hey, you know what? I'm going to take profits, right? Take profits, absolutely. You can protect position and take those profits. So basically, long here, looking for here, stop loss below the wick, and you can already see that risk to reward. Hey, you have a little bit of that position still open. Yeah, you could easily aim for that, for those highs. So I mean, you guys know the deal. Risk to reward, bang, stop loss. You're aiming for some highs to be taken, right? Where there's going to be a lot of liquidity from those over leveraged short positions. You want to dive into this. So that is going to be me for the day with that trade that was mentioned on today's update, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button if you like some video updates in the morning here, Central European time, and then jumping into the live stream to take a look at those potential trading setups. This one today, so far, hey, gotta be said, exactly as predicted. Higher time frames predictions haven't been playing out very well, okay? But, you know, I couldn't care less because, you know, I'm more of a scalper day trader than actually, you know, swing trader. So, yeah, we've been breaking down, not seeing much strength. Yesterday's Gartley pattern as well did play out really nice, guys, and I gotta give some, you know, I gotta give a shout out to Father Time here. I'm not sure if he is in the comment section, but Father Time was actually saying, you know, head and shoulder scenario on the 5-minute time frame yesterday, where we were trading at this zone, right? We were trading just right over here, and he said, hey, head and shoulder right over here. Very possible going up to the 22,100. So shout out to him, because this created a head and shoulder and finally did get that breakdown. So kudos to Father Time, absolutely spot on. But what I did mention also yesterday, apart from that right shoulder, okay, Father Time did say that right shoulder possible forming, and I came up here with the idea of that Gartley pattern right over here, hitting that 7-8, right? So that, yeah, overall, that was a really nice short position mentioned on yesterday's live stream as well. I did not enter this trade. I was doing the live stream, you know, then I closed computer after that night live stream, went to bed. But overall, that was a good short position as well. Really, really nice. Mentioned on yesterday's live stream, yesterday night, guys. Very, very nice short position. I missed out totally on that potential short. But anyway, it doesn't matter. You know the deal. Like I say on all the live streams, I don't care missing out on any short position, because you know what? The next day, around the corner, we have another beautiful setup. Here it is, you know, taking profits. And yeah, happy just, you know, this is my day done here with this trade. So it doesn't matter. I don't mind missing trades. I like to get into high probability trade scenarios at the lowest point possible to get good risk management. I mean, the entry here compared to the stop loss right now is, you know, your risk to reward is already double, and it's potentially going to be triple. I think this high is likely to be claimed at 21,800. We just, you know, basically sit $70 away from it. So anyway, very important. Take profits as you go up. Protect your positions. Not much to be said, guys. Just wanted to go, you know, go through an overview of what I was expecting today. Yes, of course, we do have the stock market also getting a pretty nice pump today with this. Hey, I would say this is a diamond bottom pattern, right? It does very much look like a diamond bottom pattern right there, and it is, you know, breaking out at the moment. So what the S&P 500 is forming is a diamond bottom breakout at the moment. And we are potentially going to go slightly higher, maybe even, you know, maybe even continue the trend. So I wasn't actually aware of the S&P 500, this formation over here. Should we long now, Andy, or did we hit a resistance again? Yeah, no. Definitely not long in here, guys. You know, basically the setup was mentioned in today's video update. You know, this is a day trade, so you know, this is basically getting that setup ready, getting the plan ready, executing it, and there you have it. You know, nice bang, you know, hitting that level, failed to break out this low, correcting down here with this small little Gartley pattern on the lower time frames down to that 21,570. There you have it on today's video, minute 6. As you can see, bang, bang, bang. You're looking for that leg up to 21,800. That's where the circle is, which is at 21,550, 570 range, is your entry point. You missed out on this. It doesn't matter, guys. There's more trades. There's more trades around the corner. Very much expecting that you know, a bigger relief rally as well, of course. Okay, so that kind of failed breakout, relief rally, claim these highs. Or depending on what price action we create above 21,800, I will maybe very likely looking for shorts. I'll be very likely looking for shorts now. However, this could be an Adam and Eve double bottom scenario, guys, right? This could be an Adam and Eve double bottom scenario. Let me get that pattern here ready for you guys. Whoever's not aware of this Adam and Eve double bottom scenario, it is basically a nice spike bottom like this. Okay. What is happening right now, you got the large move spike bottom here to 21,500 range. You come back up to 21,800. Nice round formation. Bang. You got this neckline here where it's going to be, I'm going to leave a position open as soon as we hit that level. If we do start forming this kind of price action like here, like that, then I will close all of my long positions and I would reconsider getting into a short. Okay. I'll be having very good risk management, of course, because you could always consolidate and then break it. But it's a strong level, that weekly level, that point of control from February that was blast through down. Okay, we didn't get any type of reaction, unfortunately, late last night. So no trade taken, no trade taken. The only trade taken I did see here was this one right over here at this level over here, that Gartley pattern, that nice head and shoulder scenario that Father Time did also speak about. But overall, yeah, interesting scenario right over here. You know, it would actually make sense that this could be that double bottom scenario, and you could have a successful breakout here, and from this major drop, retrace to the 7.8, at least the 618, 21,900. Possibly, you could possibly get that move up. Now is the time that I'm going to be paying attention to this price action, right? I'm going to be paying attention to see, hey, what is going to go on here? Are we going to blast through this level, or are we just going to get a massive rejection? you know, hit it several times. This is my next trading scenario. How are we going to claim these highs? You know, how are these highs going to be claimed? Depending on how we claim these highs, I would get into a short position. I would get into a short position. Just hit that level right now. Let's see, will it successfully break out from this zone, or will it just, you know, kind of consolidate? If it does get that consolidation, failed breakout from the highs, yeah, definitely reconsidering a short position here. For the moment, we are just touching the level, so we could blast through that level. No shorts taken here. Remember, no reaction, no shorts taken. Yes, reaction, you know, then I would potentially get into a short position with good risk management. Let's take a look. Habla español, nuevo canal. Yes, guys, the new channel is live right now, okay? Take a look. Bitcoinsensus español. Make sure to subscribe. If you put Bitcoinsensus español, Spanish, this is what you come up with, okay? So there'll be updates also there. If you're Spanish, you know, Latin American, make sure to subscribe to the channel, all right? Andy, I also longed at closes 75% at weekly. Hey, you're the man. You're the man. I got Aditya here, who's an absolute machine here with these trading setups. Absolutely phenomenal. Andy, tiene un canal nuevo español. Sí, bufo. Make sure to subscribe. Take profit to hit right over there. Yeah, but guys, what can I say? This was an absolutely golden setup mentioned in today's video update. Failed to break down from that low, retraced to the 618, even the 78. Okay, if you do form a kind of harmonic pattern, there you have it. You know, it's a bit of a dodgy harmonic pattern. Okay, it's a bit of a dodgy harmonic, but overall, you're retracing to that 7.8, and that gave you that perfect, really nice entry at that level over here at 21,560 on the USDT pair. Higher time frame predictions, guys. Yeah, we're not holding the range. We're just breaking down. Has this affected my trading at all? Absolutely not. I've been absolutely doing a killing at this range. You know, really nice predictions, setups. You know, not only myself, but on the live streams as well. Doing an absolute killing on these setups here. And yeah, just another one today. So what can I say? Higher time frame levels, yeah, predictions are not playing very good, but this does not affect my trading. This does not affect my trading. I'm more of a day trader and scalper. Long term, you know, long potential movements. Yeah, if we start breaking support levels, then yeah, who cares? We want to day trade and make those gains, you know, by day trading. Let's see how we're going to react to this level, guys. This is the second level that I'm looking for. The stock market S&P 500, absolutely beautiful diamond reversal pattern right over here, exploding to the upside. Major target here on the S&P 500, 4,020 points should be hit in the coming hours. So a little bit of more momentum to the upside on the stock market is likely in the next coming hours, meaning that Bitcoin could get, you know, a little bit more of a push to the upside. So far, so good. Yeah, it looks like we're maybe going to break this resistance zone, guys. Looks like we are kind of breaking. Volume is not huge. We need to take a look, pay attention on volume. Would like to see a little bit of more volume. This could react as a resistance. Depending on how we react here, guys, what kind of price action are we making above this weekly level? Is it going to form a kind of a descending triangle scenario? Is it going to form a double top, triple top? If it does, this dodgy price action in the next coming hours, you know the deal. I'm closing longs, looking for shorts, because it would be a failed move up. And this makes a lot of sense that it can be a move down, A, B, C kind of movement, okay? Stay cautious. Let's see what happens in the coming hours, guys. Nothing to say. Wait for the reaction. I know a lot of people saying, hey, shall we long? Shall we short now? Hey, this is a waiting game. This is a waiting game to see what happens to the price. We were trading here at this zone when I made this video update. I was saying, hey, claim the low, bang. We retrace, I'm getting into a long. Right here, the same thing. We've claimed the highs. Is it a successful breakout, or is it going to start dropping here aggressively? If it starts dropping aggressively, miss the trade. If it starts pumping, I'm good because I'm in a long. If it gets choppy action, it will make me, get into a good risk to reward trade scenario potentially to come back down and claim the lows. Nothing else. We have a plan and we trade it. So far, this does not look bad for a double bottom scenario. This just looks like a textbook Adam and Eve double bottom scenario. I would look at Fibonacci expansion to take a look at, the 1-to-1, a C move. Yeah, we're basically 1-to-1. So this could double top right here. Instead of a double bottom, it could double top, right? Let's see what kind of price action we create. So far, failed breakout from the resistance zone. So this is something that we want to consider to potentially get into a short scenario, right? So that is what I'm looking for here. So far it's failed to break out. Let's take a look at the comment section. Say hello to the community, guys. You know the deal. My favorite leverage trading platform is Bybit. Here's where I do all of my leverage trading platform. For the moment, I'm not using any others. It's my favorite one. It works fantastic. The fees are relatively good. You got an insane bonus down below in the description, guys. Okay, it's $30,000 that can be claimed. With this $30,000 worth of bonus that you can claim at the rewards hub, you can trade with, okay, and you can keep the profits. All right, of course, it all depends on what you deposit to claim that bonus. It's another way to support the channel and also smashing up the like button, guys. But that bonus needs to be claimed at the rewards hub on Bybit. If you're using Binance, if you're using other ones, why not switch to Bybit? I've used Binance, I've used other ones, Margex, BitGet. So far my favorite one is Bybit. Options expiring tomorrow. Wow, says Dennis. More pain, possibly. I think there's more people actually bullish last month, calling maybe for 28k or I don't know, or 25 above 25k. Very interesting thoughts. This is probably a reason for this major drop we've had the last few days. Is we got options expiring. So yeah, maybe people were a bit too bullish. Let's see if we do get a consolidation. I would be disappointed if we do just suddenly start moving down like this from this level. So far, level to level trading, guys. Look at this. Bang, bang. That risk to reward here was absolutely golden. It was absolutely golden. Absolutely golden, this trade. Oh, if we just run down now from this level, I'm going to be disappointed. It would be nice to see a little bit of a consolidation. Hey, you got the same scenario here potentially happening, okay, where you failed to break out from this high. Maybe a retracement from this level could give you a nice risk management trade. Would reconsider a hedge short position from my long trade, right? Most of the profits have been taken on this. But yeah, if we get a little bounce, get into a short for this short trade to come down and claim the lows, then I would be in profit, right? If we're trading in between 21,600 and 21,800, it's a hedge position, right? Get into a short position to hedge my long. Overall profits have been taken on this trade because that was the target, right? We do responsible trading. We talk about a level, we talk about a resistance. And yeah, even better if I actually prove that I am in those trading scenarios. Needs to be done. The education and putting them, my money where my mouth is, needs to be proven, of course. Like Smash said, Seb, thank you very much, my man. Thank you, Andy. You are nailing it. Learning a lot, much better value than most people on YouTube. Hey, thank you very much, Simon. Absolutely phenomenal. I am sure. Will you exit your position at 21,800? Yes, it was a take profit too. I've taken most of the position. I'm just leaving a bit open, like 25%, because I'm aware of this potential double bottom and it could break out. However, it's already failed to break the high. It's failed to break out. This is a swing failure from this level. So, hey, I wouldn't be surprised of this doing like that. I would love to get a nice little bounce here. Then we can get into the 618, right? Then we get into the 618. Are we paying attention to the S&P 500? Because S&P 500, I am looking for slightly higher on the S&P 500. Markets are opening right now, guys, so stay a little bit cautious. We could get that volatility up or down. Markets opening now in 5 minutes. Mr. Live sucks, says Ines. In the update, you mentioned we should wait for a failed breakout, I believe. You also mentioned there is a possibility of an upside before that. How come you entered this long? Because Gartley pattern. Chris, no, we had the failed breakout. You just, I mean, take a look at take a look at this. Basically, this is what happened. This is the 15-minute time frame. So the lows were claimed. The lows have been claimed on the video update, right? So this is basically it. We were trading at this zone on the video update, so the lows were claimed, and this was the move right there, as you can see on the chart. Lows were not claimed when I did the video, so is exactly the same thing that I talked on the video. And obviously, yeah, when I talk about something, and I have time to enter into the long, I will enter, of course. That is the long taken at this 21,590. Stop loss below the level here, of course, as well, and I would be transparent. If this would have continued down and it gets stopped out, guys, I entered the long and I got stopped out. We've got to be transparent on that. Hola Andy, qué bueno verte. ¿Cómo has estado? Bufo, how are you? I'm doing absolutely phenomenal. Hope you're doing great. Should we, right, let's scroll down here. Andy I long also, says Aditya, absolutely phenomenal. Double bottom at 1 hour. Yeah, also very possible. This is what we're talking about as well. The Adam and Eve spike double bottom scenario. This is why, hey, why not have a little bit of, if you've got a really nice long entry, keep 25% open just in case you get that move up here, going to 21,900 or higher, which would be the target range, right, to test this range. Why not have, some of that open? Because you can see the possibility of that scalp day trade turning into a swing trade. Why not? Why not? I would get into a head short position right over here if we are going to get a bounce, guys, because we're basically creating a failed breakout from this high. Liquidity grab. We want to read the liquidity grab from here to here. That was basically what we read on today's live stream, on today's video update. Look for roughly 21,860 as a retest confirmation, says Dude. Yeah, Ethereum also gave us a really nice long setup this morning at 10 set. Wow. I haven't checked out Ethereum because I'm just basically trading Bitcoin most of the time, but yeah, I'm sure Ethereum also got a really a nice setup. DXY is interesting to see because DXY kind of getting a bit of a rejection here, not managing to break out from this high either. So this is also important, right? We talked about this on yesterday's live stream. Hey, what if the DXY doesn't manage to get above this peak over here, right? Take a look at this high, this high. We just tested the high. Hey, we could see the DXY getting a correction. That is also possible. Taking that into consideration, if the dollar index does come down in the coming days, it will help Bitcoin to get a larger relief rally potentially, okay? Father Time, kudos to you, my man. Andy, possible shark harmonic starting at the right shoulder if we consolidate at the 21,922K area. Very possible as well. Let me know the peaks. Shark pattern, from this peak. Very possible as well. We want the 0.88 at least for the shark. Very, very possible. We got bigger resistance though before that. So it is possible. It is very, very possible. Hey, kudos to you, my man, because yesterday you were talking about, hey, head and shoulder on Bitcoin on the 5-minute time frame. Yes, sir. That did happen. That did happen. This was also connected with that, Gartley pattern right over here on the 1 minute time frame. So it was actually a really good short, that 21,100. I did not get into the short, guys. Hopefully some people did. It made a killing, made some insane gains. Right. Wow, we got here, Ahmed. If we have an impulsive wave to 22,800 as I called yesterday, then we move impulsively to 27,000. Wow, these are big waves though on higher time frames, and that is a ABCDE wave on the weekly time frame. Take your B wavelength from wave E, then fib. Well, okay, a lot of information here, a lot of coordinations, but yeah, there is a possibility. I've been taking a look at Elliott wave. I just don't want to take a look at it talk about it on the live stream. But, that there is a possibility. I was doing some Elliott wave counts here with these kind of movements because supposedly, from the ultimate bottom, right? And we're not going to go far away, guys, because with Elliott wave count, you could just spend hours and hours going from the back and zooming in onto the small little waves. But just to keep it simple, right? From the clear pivot low level, right? If we do take a look at this as, the Elliott wave counts to the upside from the pivot low, right? 3, 4, 5 right there. And, yeah, we're not going to do much counts. We are potentially in an ABC correction at this moment. Very, very, very possible, right? We've just created this. Maybe we're going to get a nice, a little bit of momentum to the upside right now. The whole reason why I think, this has been an A as well, because inside of an A wave, you do have 5 waves. We're not going to count every single little wave on the lower time frames, but, the question is this, has this been the 5 waves from the A corrective wave, right? And we're not going to just count every single wave inside of here, but it's just to take a little bit of a notice of the potential momentum. So long, if we are above the 4th wave, this could still be that ABC kind of correction. Maybe not. Maybe, the market is going to break down miserably, and then we're going to have to analyze Elliott wave theory again. But overall, knowing that possible bounce from these lows are possible. Not much to be said here, guys. Let's take a look at the comment section. A nice bounce here wouldn't be bad to get into a short. With good risk management. Of course, I would get into a small short position if we were to get that bounce at 21,780, 790. Very, very possible. Nice range with good risk management. Stop loss above the high, because you are basically aiming for this, right? So long trade, absolutely phenomenal right there, all the way to the high of 21,800. And right now on the other side, I'm a trader. I'm bullish and I'm bearish. I would be happy to get into a short position here to come all the way down. Very, very possible. Something disturbing here only. I wouldn't mind getting stopped out in a small position. Because the long trade today has been an absolute success. But it's a strong level. Good risk management. 618, 21,780, 90. It's coming up right now to the range. Only thing that is disturbing, have good risk management. If you get stopped out, look at this, your stop loss. Look at this stop loss. I can cover now, 3-4 stop losses with the gains that I made, just so you can get the idea. So far, it's a strong weekly level. It's failed to break out from this range. The only thing that is disturbing for me here is the possibility of this double bottom scenario, Adam and Eve. That's the only thing that is a little bit disturbing. And also the possibility of the S&P 500 going to higher levels, because we got this diamond pattern that does have that target of 4,020 points. We got the US market opening right now, so I don't like to trade the first 15 minutes of the stock market because we get volatility. I prefer less volatility, guys, for my trading than a lot, because, you know, volatility is just, it can stop you out basically. So I you know, markets are opening right now, just opened. So I don't like it, even though we're hitting the 618. I do see a little bit of more bullish momentum for stock market, so I'll be a little bit cautious here with that short position. But overall, you got a short right there. But yeah, first 10 minutes, 15 minutes of the market open, you know, S&P 500 is bullish, and I do see a little bit of more momentum to the upside from this diamond pattern. So stay cautious. You could get one more leg up, and that could mean that Bitcoin will be getting that leg up as well. But it's up to you. I mean, I'm not happy to get into a short just yet. Well, you basically got that short right there. Highs, bang, bang. Let's see if we do get the stock market getting the leg up to the target range. Oh, you got the dump right there happening right now in front of our eyes. Anyway, let's go through. We're gonna break out before tomorrow on 30 minutes. Are we now? How do you set up on multiple take profit levels? Can you add more once a trade is open? Yeah, absolutely. This is on the USDT pair on Bybit. Of course, you know, you just need to market, you know, close by market, close by limit market, and you can choose 25%, you can choose 50%, you can choose what you want, how many contracts you want to close on your way up. Yeah, this is available on Bybit, of course, on the USDT pair. I'm not sure on the other exchanges, but this is the one I use, and I like to, you know, ladder out, ladder in, you know, create a hedge position short. You know, this would not be a bad hedge position short, because I do think these lows can be claimed after this failed breakout. You know, it's a high possibility. It's a high possibility. So yeah. Stay cautious, guys, with your trading. Oh, sorry, you're right. My bad. Yeah, we talked about that scenario. Smash the like button, guys. This man doing a great work. He deserves more likes. Woohoo! Got, you know, big support from the community here saying smash up the like button. Yeah, it's up to you guys. It's another way to support the channel. It would be nice. Yeah, remember anyway, but you can do that on Bybit, okay? By, you know, I'm sure on many other exchanges as well, okay? But of course, you know, I'm affiliated with Bybit, and it's the one I actually do my trading with. I'm really happy with Bybit. I've been using it for over 3 years now, and it's, you know, I've never had any problems with it. So that's why I talk about it. I'm not going to talk about a bad exchange. It's in the top 5 with volume, okay? So yeah, I think Bybit is the place to go. Remember that you do have that insane bonus to be claimed of $30,000. This bonus can be used for your trading and keep the profits, guys. So check it out. It's still available. Father Time, thanks for joining the live stream, my man. Insane support from you. Andy, I closed the long closed the long end short at 618 fib. Yeah, I mean, it's not a bad short. Yeah, you know, it's not a bad short. However, you know, anyway, it doesn't matter. You know, this is the thing. You got stop loss right there above this high. If it's hit, you accept it. If it's not hit, you're making a killing here to come back down and claim the lows. You know, the only thing I would be aware of is stock market still could get a little bit more bullish momentum. Or not, you know, maybe it is actually consolidating here and it's going to get a big retracement. That's going to make the price of BTC pushing down. Something intelligent to do here as soon as you claim this low on Bitcoin, which is at 21,700, you know, I would protect position right there. And then obviously I would be looking for the lows to be claimed. Stop loss above this high. If it stopped out, then it is what it is. Andy, please fact check. Check me. I'm telling you, we came up from 16k due to a harmonic shark pattern on the daily 8-hour, 4-hour. This time is even on the weekly harmonic shark breakout on weekly, daily, all time frames. Yes, sir. I mean, you have been doing some really nice predictions here in the comment section. So kudos to you. Very, very good. Andy, will we make higher highs now, or are we in a downtrend? Well, yeah, it's pretty obvious that we are aggressively down. We could get a large relief rally, okay? I'm thinking, I'm still getting into these long trades, guys, trying to detect those bottoms with the failed breakouts, You might think I'm crazy, this guy's, shorting downtrends and longing uptrends. But, you don't need to worry about me. I play the safe game. I have very good risk management. So overall, it doesn't really matter. I absolutely loved this range, guys. This range over here. Oh my goodness. I absolutely loved this level last week. This range from last week was, absolutely loved it. I enjoyed my trading inside of this range. It was absolutely crazy. I'm not sure if you remember. Well, you can see the live streams and videos, okay, from the 3rd of March. Talking about those nice little setups here inside of the range. I absolutely love trading a range, guys. I actually like it. I actually like trading a range. Instead of trading this, right? Instead of trading, these volatile moves down or up. I like range trading when the price has made the move and then you're getting into a nice range and respecting the levels. That is how I make better trades. Guys, we need more likes, says Buffer. Yes, liquidity grab. Yeah, very possible. Very, very possible, right? I was bullish since this low happening from today's video, from this scenario that happened perfectly to get that liquidity grab above 21,800 in that trade, as you know. Right now, yeah, it's happened. We're failing to break out from this high. This could be a classic ABC, bang, zigzag ABC. And yeah, it's time to come down now to claim the lows. Very, very, very possible. This is why this is not a bad short right over here to claim those the lows. I would potentially, I'm going to reconsider. I don't mind getting at the highest level. It doesn't really matter for me. It would be nice, of course, to get at the 61878, right, for this trade. But because I've made a successful trade already, it just would be a hedge. It would be a hedge position for the 25% that I got left here from this trade. Overall, whoever's who got into this short, make sure to enjoy and have good risk management. You could already almost start thinking in to protect the position here if you did enter that 618. Absolutely golden. You could probably just smack down from this level already in a matter of minutes, guys. Make sure to protect position, take profits, guys. You are one of my favorite channels. Hi from South Florida. Absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, we're testing the lows right now. Make sure to consider protecting position, because if you come back up now to this level, don't think that we're not going to hit this high. It's very, very possible we could. So we reconsider protecting position. Reason why? Because maybe you're not going to have power, at least in the short term, to break this low. So why if I enter a trade here? Why if I enter a trade here, guys? And this is very important as well to think about. Stop loss here. You're making almost your stop loss, right? If price moves up here, you're creating a kind of a small double bottom. You could create a small harmonic pattern actually right over here if we do zoom in. I'm addicted to harmonics. also on the lower time frame, guys. They do play out really nicely on lower time frame as well. You know, that's 7-8. It's also a possibility. So you're going to protect position. You're going to get stopped out. You know, if we do create that wick here and do this, that is a re-entry position. You could do something like this, especially after failing to break out from this high. Yeah, guys, not much to say. I've had an absolute golden day. My day is done with trading. My day is don't short. We reversed on the last 15 minute. Hey, it doesn't matter. You know, I'm not saying to anybody to make any trading scenarios. I'm just talking about the risk. You know, I'm just showing you the possibilities, and a lot of the possibilities they do play out, guys. We failed to break out this high on the first attempt. You move down and you come up to the 618. You know, you have stop losses to have good risk management. That is it. You have stop losses to have good risk management. So stop loss, don't be afraid to get stopped out. Don't be afraid to get stopped out. Stop losses are your friends. You know, they're there to say, hey, you were wrong. I'm just going to take a little bit of your gains off you, right? You might be right on the next time. Anyone take that short? I didn't, because stock market is just opened a few 15 minutes ago. We do have a little bit of volatility. It's created this diamond bottom. It's just currently hitting that target right now from the diamond bottom pattern at the 4,015, 16 points. Now we could get a reversal potentially. I would have to zoom out, of course. You know, I'm not only going to trade and talk about targets from this pattern, of course, because we could zoom out. There's probably not much resistance above us at the moment, and we're just going to get a really nice bounce. So yeah, well, we could take a look at VPVR. I mean, beautiful bounce from the point of control here. Consolidated diamond bottom pattern at the point of control from the volume traded the last few weeks, guys. This is looking at February and March. Bang, diamond bottom, spike to the upside. Absolutely golden here on the stock market. Nice move up. We could get a reaction at this zone. It's been a highly respected zone here as resistance. As you can see here, right? We've got several spikes. So I would stay cautious at the 4,015, 4,020 points on the stock market. Bang, bang, bang. Double top here on the lower time frames would be ideal. For the moment, it's trending up. It's very, very spiky to the upside. So I wouldn't just randomly short this at this moment. I would want to see exhaustion. Then I could possibly take action. You're one of my favorite channels, Roman. Thank you very much. Afternoon, dude. Rule number 1. How are you doing? Block this guy. So annoying. Who is it? Who's annoying? People, let's do 300 likes for an evening live session. No Netflix for Andy. Yeah, not today. Yeah, afterwards, maybe tonight. Guys, absolutely phenomenal. We have a liquidity in for our time frame, in the 4-hourly time frame. What? Right, we got Ahmed here saying this is the same breakout pattern that took us from 3,600 to 20k. Same on that took us down from 26 to 21k. Okay. Andy, what's your biggest loss ever, or have you been liquidated? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. My biggest loss was a few years ago, which was 20k. And of course, it's not the same now, but I mean, 20k in a trade, $20,000 in one trade. And this was about, I got to say, this is about three to 4 years ago. In between 2019 and 2020, and I do remember it a lot. I will always remember. And I didn't have much money by then. I didn't have much money. It was just not even the start of the bull run. I was investing aggressively in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin was going up and down, all the cryptos. I remember in one trade losing $20,000, and I was like, ouch, we weren't even in a bull run. I wasn't a profitable trader. I was more in break even in 2019. So I was like, oh my goodness, what am I doing with my life? So, but anyway, all of this is a learning curve, all of this is part of the learning. So, yeah, that's a lot. Well, yeah, exactly. It's a lot. $20,000 is a lot of money, and I remember losing that in one trade in less than 1 week. It was kind of a swing trade, and in 1 week it was disappeared, and I was like, ouch. I could have bought a couple of Bitcoin, back then. I was buying Bitcoin anyway, so yeah, irresponsible. I was starting to be responsible with my trading. Okay, the first 2 years were absolutely not really bad for my trading. I was really bad. 2019 was break even kind of thing, but I was always, making that mistake of, having 3 profitable months and suddenly in a trade just wiping up my 3 months of profit. This happens as well. This also happens to a lot of people when they're starting trading and their learning curve. So yeah, it happens. Right now, that doesn't happen because I've learned from my mistakes, guys. And, if anybody is in this kind of learning curve, then yeah, you will also get into these kind of situations. But hopefully, as humans, we do learn from mistakes, right? We do learn from mistakes. So yeah. Andy, do you trade BTC versus alts? No, I don't. Not really, no. Andy, what do you think if we fail to break down the 21,360? Is this will be the swing long? From this level or from this level over here on the higher time frames? Yeah, it is. It's also a possibility. Yeah, we could also swing failure from this low. That's something I would be paying attention to. Absolutely. Absolutely, yes. Absolutely, yes. Very, very possible. Yes, sir. From this low over here. Yep. I would consider that. If anybody got into a short position here, guys, I would consider protecting position at that 618, okay? I didn't get into the short, but it doesn't matter. I mean, look at this. You're hitting that to perfection, that 618. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that perfect touch to the 61865 from this drop. Failed breakout from this high. It's just absolutely insane. You're already making a 2-to-1, 1-to-1, sorry, trade. So if you entered there, you already had a 1-to-1 with profits, as you can see here. I would definitely leave some position open because you could come down to test the lows and even break them, guys. So you got a golden trade right there from today's live stream. Stop loss to entry, perfect. Yeah, man, smash those like buttons if you enjoy these live streams, guys. Come on, because yeah, with these day trade scenarios, we're doing an absolute killing. I'm getting, hey, no financial advice overall as well. I'm really want people to learn the risk management as well. So yeah, this is why, stop loss at entry. If I would have traded this, I would have put stop loss at entry. I'm never saying what you need to do, but I'm also, providing that education. No financial advice, of course. 500 people watching the stream, only 255 likes. Guys, destroy the like button. Make sure to destroy the like button. Come on, what a good setup right there. What a good setup from today's video. What else can I say? What else can I say? What else more do you want? More cannot be provided. When you will launch your Discord, Andy, big fan from Australia. Very good question. It will be coming out soon. I cannot give any dates because there's a lot of, we've got the Spanish YouTube channel, Bitcoinsensus Español. Here's me, talking about, these are only shorts. We're only just testing it. Videos will be updated here as well. If you are Spanish, make sure to subscribe to Bitcoinsensus Español, because I'm just doing some short videos there. I always forget to like. Rule number one. Rule number one. That is rule number one. Favorite 5-minute pattern. We are about to rip up hard. Wow. Which pattern is that? Ahmed. Which pattern is that? Loving the content. Dutch BTC fan. Yes. How much did you lose in the first 2 years? Wow, I could not count. I could not count. I don't know. But yeah, quite a big stash. Sorry, dude. Hey, no worries, my man. Don't be sorry here. Don't be sorry. Can you explain what exchange's funding time rate is? Can you close or open a position when your exchange is having a funding time rate? Well, funding time rate right over here. Now it is positive. So funding fees, you know, basically when it's positive, there's actually more people. Yeah, when it's positive, the longs paying the shorts, basically. If the funding, you see the explanation here on Bybit, you know, funding rate is possible. Longs positions holders will pay short positions. So this is more for swing trades, right? I have swing trades open sometimes, as in for, you know, just a few days maybe, or maybe 1 or 2 weeks maximum. I don't have a position open for a month. You're never going to see me with a position open for a month. But yes, a few days potentially. But basically, you're paying, you know, and the clock down is it changes, right? It changes to see, you know, is there more long positions or is there more shorts? You know, depending on if there's more longs and shorts, then the funding rate will change. When it's positive, longs pay shorts with the fees every 8 hours, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And when it's negative, shorts pay longs. That is it. Could be a reverse Adam and Eve pattern. Absolutely. Yeah, this is also something disturbing that I'm looking at, okay? It could be an Adam and Eve pattern right there, guys. So that's why if you're shorting, protect position. But overall, you know, we're in a massive downtrend. So you have slightly higher probabilities with lower highs, right? Guys, we're trending down still. So if you're shorting, just, you know, have good risk management. But these lows could be tested again. Have good risk management, guys. I'm going to wrap it up. Make sure to destroy the live stream, the like button. Today, I'm happy with my trades. Hopefully, you're going to be happy with your trades. Let's see if we do get that leg down. I would absolutely love getting that leg down to test the lows so you guys make a killing as well in today's live stream, okay? Remember, my favorite trading platform, Bybit, #1 for me. I absolutely love it. I've been using it for over 3 years. Have had no issues at all with them. You get that insane bonus, guys, of $30,000 at the rewards hub once you sign up, okay? Once you sign up with the link, that bonus is there available to be claimed depending on what you deposit, okay? It's another way to support the channel. Destroying the like button as well, guys. What a day. What a morning update with a nice little trade. And for the moment, this trade, not too bad. Hey, you're in a free trade right now if you did enter at that level that we mentioned, okay, with the position protected, aiming to hit these lows. Who knows? Might be a really nice trade. If it's not, you are protected and not losing anything. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.